Hello students. So today we are starting with the new chapter, that is linear inequality. Okay, so this is used in the field of, say, statistics. Okay, commonly in statistics, then optimization problems, like if we want to see the profit of a company. Okay, that time we use such inequalities. So how much input you have to put so that how much output you will get. Okay, so that way you have to use inequalities. Now definition, we know that inequality is of type less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, so these two are strict inequalities, and these two are equal to, means you will get the value equal to that also. Okay. Now there are inequalities like we have in the textbook. Say these are numerical inequalities. Both sides there are numbers. Okay, these are called numerical inequalities. Then we have literal inequalities. In this, one of the side is unknown, that is variable will be there, x or y. Okay, x is less than 5, y is greater than 2. Then both inequalities are there, that is greater than, less than. Okay, uh, the x varies between 3 and 5, like that. Okay, so these are double inequalities. So there are strict inequalities. Okay, so the equation, this less than, greater than. Okay, again here also these are strict inequalities. Then we have slack inequalities. Slack is less than or equal to, means equal to sign will be there. Then linear inequalities, in this only one variable is there, like this, ax plus b. Okay, in two variables it is like this, ax plus by is greater than or equal to c. Okay, these are linear inequalities. Then we have quadratic inequalities. Okay, quadratic, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so let's start with solution of inequality, how to find the values. This is a very short lesson, okay, but it is very useful for 12th standard. There are questions which are based on this, in which you have to draw the graphs. Okay, now there are certain rules to solve any inequality. Equal numbers may be added or subtracted from both sides of the equation. Okay, so suppose we have, say, 5 is less than 7, correct? So we can add here 2 and here also. We have to add both the sides or subtract both the sides. So this becomes 7 is less than 9. Okay. Second rule is both sides of an equation may be multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. So if you are multiplying or dividing one number on one side, then you have to divide by same number on the other side. Okay, there is one more thing that is very important, that is the sign of the inequality is reversed when uh, it is when both the sides are multiplied or divided by a negative number, then the sign of the inequality is reversed. Okay, so suppose we have, say, -5 is less than -2. Okay, so I am multiplying by a negative number on both the sides. then this inequality becomes greater than, because if you multiply this will be 5 and this will be 2, and 5 is greater than 2, right? So the meaning also changes with the inequalities. Let's solve some equations. So I'll take examples from textbook only, that is solve 30x less than 200. Okay. When first one is x is a natural number. So we have to choose values of x such that it is a natural number. Okay. If you solve this inequality, this becomes, we have to divide by 30 here and also divide by 30 here. Okay. So this is x is less than 20 by 3. So this is 3, 6, 6.66 like this. Okay. So this is x is less than 6.666. Okay. So x is a number, natural number they have said. X belongs to set of natural numbers. So x will get value less than 6 you have to take. Less than 6.66. So 6 is included. So 6 is there. Okay. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this is the solution set. Then second, they have given x is an integer. Integer means negative numbers are also there. So these all are included, plus we have a 0, -1, -2 and so on. Okay. So this becomes an infinite set. You have to solve 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. Okay. So using the rules also you can solve, or you can do it like this also. That is, I'm taking this 3x this side. It's like an equation only solving. Okay. Plus 3. So this is 2x less than 4. Dividing by 2, we'll get x is less than 2. So first one is x is an integer. Integer less than 2. So starting from 1, 0, -1, -2 and so on. Okay. Second one is x is a real number. Real numbers, all numbers are included. All. So this becomes an interval, that is less than 2 minus infinity to 2. Okay. This belongs to this. Next question, you have to solve 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. Okay. So this is minus 6x minus 3. So minus 2x 4. So here the sign changes, that is we are making it greater, -1. Okay. So this becomes 2x, because we are multiplying by -1 both the sides, we are changing the inequality. Okay. Keep this in mind. This is very important. -4. So x is greater than -2. Okay. So the solution set is greater than -2. So starting with -2 to infinity. Next question. Question 4. Solve 5 minus 2x upon 3 less than or equal to x by 6 minus 5. Okay. First you remove denominators. Okay. This you can cross multiply first. So this becomes x minus 30 upon 6. Okay. So removing denominators means you have to multiply here, or you can cross multiply. Okay. This becomes into 6. This becomes into 3. So this is 30 minus 12x 60, 90. Sorry. Okay. So taking x terms together and this terms. So this is minus 15x. This is minus 120. Okay. So we are again multiplying by minus 1 both the sides. So this inequality changes. 20 divided by 15. So 8. X is greater than or equal to 8. So solution set is greater than or equal to. So closed interval and infinity. Okay. Next question, you have to solve 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9 and show the graph of the solution on the number line. Okay, now you have to draw the number line. 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. X is less than 3. So x belongs to less than minus infinity to 3. Okay, open interval. So on a number line 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is 3 is not included. Not included means you have to draw like this. Okay, and from here you have to make it dark so that this whole thing is included. Whole thing. This is not included. Okay. Next one. Sixth one. 3x minus 4 by 2 x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. Again you have to draw the graph. Cross multiplying this you'll get minus 4 upon 4. So 3x minus 4 upon 2 x minus 3 upon 4 multiplying by 4 multiplying by 2. Okay. 12x minus 16 2x minus 6. So 12x minus 2x minus 6 plus 16. 10x 10. So x is greater than or equal to 1. So x belongs to greater than or equal to 1. So closed interval 1 to infinity. So on a number line 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1 is included. Okay. So this you have to fill and so. Next question is a word problem. The marks obtained by a student of class 11 in first and second terminal examination are 62 and 48 respectively. Find the minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average of at least 60 marks. Okay, so the marks obtained are given here. Okay, and minimum marks he should get in the annual examination, that is third exam, to have an average of at least 60 marks. So average how we find? Suppose he got in the first exam he got 62, right? In the second exam, he got 48. And the last exam, we don't know how much marks he got. So we are taking it as a X. Okay, average. Average means what? You have to add whole and divide by number. So 3 are there. So 62 plus 48 plus X divided by 3. Now they have asked find the minimum marks. Okay, minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average. Average is 60. Okay. So minimum means here it will be less greater than or equal to 1. Okay. It should be equal to 60 or greater than 60. Okay. Minimum should be 60, not less than 60. Okay. So solving this, you will get multiplying 70. Okay. So you should get minimum of 70 marks. Next question is again a word problem. Find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers. Okay, consecutive means back to back. So that the other one is x plus 2. So these are odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5 and so on. Okay. The thing which is given is no question is you have to find all the consecutive odd natural both of which are larger than 10. Okay. Such that their sum is less than 40. So if you take this one as x, we'll get the next number to be x plus 2, right? So these are our numbers. Now they have given that both of which are larger than 10. Okay, so this x is greater than 10. Such that the sum is less than 40. Their sum x plus 2 is less than 40. So two equations are there, x is greater than 10 and this equation we can solve, that is 2x plus 2 less than 40. So 2 is common. So divide by 2 you will get 20. So x plus 1 is x is less than 19. So x is greater than 10 and it is less than 19. So x is between 10 and 19. Okay, and they should be odd. So between 10 and 19 odd numbers are 11, 13, 15, 17. Okay, so we have to find all the pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers. Pairs will be of these numbers 11, 13, 11, the other number should be greater by 2. So 13, 15, 15, 17 and 17, 19. Okay.